Hi guys, I'm the Cinephile with a microphone, and welcome to my review of Star Trek Beyond, which follows the crew of the Enterprise as they confront an adversary who threatens the Federation itself. Star Trek Beyond seldomly puts a foot wrong. The regular cast all give great performances, and the new characters like Jaylah are all immensely watchable, and Idris Elba is a truly intimidating threat despite a rather poor mask. The action and the visual effects are very impressive, the humour's great, and it's even progressive at points when they reveal that Sulu is actually gay, and they really don't make a big deal out of it. The movie basically says, yeah, he's gay. And Star Trek Beyond is a lot of fun, and it's one of the highlights of this rather mediocre summer movie season. Live long and prosper, everyone.